That's from Aperture.
It's an Aperture Science ID card. Are you with Aperture Science?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I have a terrible retirement plan.
What is the barcode? There's an actual barcode there. Is that made up barcode? Or is that actually scanned?
I can't remember what I made it say. It actually was scanned, but I can't remember what it said. It's $14.98.
Awesome. You're totally high, aren't you? This LP for apartments smaller than mine, and if there were apartments smaller than mine. Ikea, open to buy and a handful of Norsemen. Ikea, selling furniture for young kids and divorcemen. Everyone has a home. If you don't have a home, you can buy one there. And lay your cash down and put your trust in land where the furniture falls to a much stronger side. And build a bookcase in the hill.